All right, first off, welcome back to Cam's Chop Shop. I got a mess on my hands, so I think we're gonna clean up first. Testing out the new DJI mini mic, see if it works. We have differential to rebuild. I got a bunch of parts for it. Still waiting on bearings. So we'll get as far as we can today and then clean up the rest of the shop. And we'll put you guys on a time lapse. Okay, I got some of my cleaning done. There is a video on YouTube. I'll have to link it below. Those guys go into like an in-depth tutorial on how to remove all the bearings, all the needle bearings and stuff like that. As you can see, hopefully it'll show, I got the old one, old stub shaft, new, brand new. Do have the old. What I don't see on the new is there is a little C-clip on this one, on the old one, and I'm gonna have to take it on, put it on this one. And I think that goes for the other, the other shaft too. The kit I ordered just doesn't have it. All right, so let's get into it. Alright, so continuing with the front differential rebuild. Today we are going to, let me swap you. We are going to have to pull out this shaft, and I'm gonna show you a cool tool that I got from Vevor to replace this carrier bearing. We're still waiting on parts to come in, but I figured let's do some work and get this going. So online it says that you can use a slide hammer with jaws on this and yank this out. We're gonna give it a shot, see if it actually works. Let me see if I can get this in the vise and hold on. We're gonna have to change the vise. All right, so it turns out I didn't even need the vise. My jaws on my puller, they don't go down, like I can't get on top like that. So what I did is I went to the side and I was able to, let me rearrange myself. I was able to hook on from there, just like how it is, and the shaft comes out. And then now I can get to this carrier bearing. Okay, we got the shaft out. Now we're on to the carrier bearing. I ordered this off of Vevor, and it's a super, it's ungodly heavy, but it's a super cool carrier bearing, puller removal, you name it. Comes with a bunch of items. And it does give you 2 different jaws. They kind of look the same. They're a little bit different. Just the circles are different. Super sturdy stand. All right, let's see if we can do some damage. We have our center shaft. Hold on, let's figure this out. Oh, okay. There is a big threaded bolt that goes on the inside of this. It's down in there. It will screw on top of here, like so. Here, I need to back it out. We're gonna adjust our collars here. Okay. And this is going to go around. Here, let me flip it upside down, right? Look at that. All right, let's adjust this all the way down. Adjust this all the way up. Should hold itself here in a second. Okay. We'll get our collar, and it does have a bolt on it, so this stays nice and tight. All right, so that's nice and tight. I had to use a wheel axle nut, not a nut, a socket. This is 36 millimeter, 1/2 inch drive. And we got the big dog impact. We're gonna set it to full kill. And we should just go to town. All right, that was way easy. Unscrew this a little bit. Our bearing's now inside. Look at this. Let me flip the camera around. It gives you a perfect, clean, nothing hacked up. This tool is freaking amazing. All right, and I'm gonna take off the collar, take off the orange collars, and look at that. Perfect, good bearing. I'm replacing them because they have some scoring, and I'm already here, so. All right. And then when I get the new bearings in, we'll go over to the press and press on the new ones.